CNC Applications offer FactoryWiz. Now, for the people that are not yet familiar with this software, what is it and how does it help people?
So FactoryWiz is machine monitoring, factory monitoring and visual data, bringing the data to your fingertips.
Now, you've got a real-life demo going on behind you. What does it entail? What's going on?
So right now we're connected up to 2 DoGuard VMCs using FANUC controls. We're connected to these via Ethernet and we're streaming out some live data.
And how easy is it to interface with the machines?
Incredibly easy for us. FactoryWiz has got a lot of native protocols for machines, not just FANUC, Heidenhain, Siemens, all sorts. Anything we can connect to.
How many machines can it connect to?
So per server we can look at up to 500 machines simultaneously.
Now, you know, if people were to invest in this technology, the first question would be, how does it save them money? Can you give me an example of how it would save someone money?
Incredibly quick. So when a machine stops, we need to know about it. Also, it's monitoring trends. We need to know how much time we lose for various areas and work on those focus points.
And can you give me real-life examples of real savings and return of investments on this software?
Yeah, of course. Things like tool breakages, conveyor jams, coolant levels, anything like that.
And does it also help with, you know, running the machine 24/7, unmanned running?
Of course it does. So if I'm at home, I can see when the machine's running. If the machine stopped at maybe 7 PM, I'm at home, I can make the justification to go and visit the machine to get it back up and running.
I suppose if you're making huge investments in machine tools, you want to make sure that they're running.
Absolutely.
And what kind of support do you give your customer and training?
Okay, so the training's very quick. We can do that inside of a day. And support, we have remote support. We try and keep mileage down to a minimum, and if we can help you remotely from anywhere in the world, then we will.
And finally, just to summarise, great technology to save money, really fast return of investment, but how should people get in touch with you if they like what they see?
www.cncapplications.co.uk